1771, turn left heading 270, intercept, cleared ILS approach, runway 24 left.
Left 270, intercept, cleared the ILS 24 left, Rouge 1771.
1771, reduce speed, 170 knots.
170 knots, Rouge 1771.
Rouge 1771, reduce speed, 150 knots.
Okay, 150 knots, Rouge 1771.
Rouge 1771, contact tower at QRX 118.35.
For Rouge 1771, we're going to need to go around and get some vectors. We just got a flap issue here.
Okay, Rouge 1771, no problem. Approach clearance canceled and climb up to 4,000.
Okay, approach clearance canceled, climb up to 4,000, Rouge 1771.
Rouge 1771, turn left heading 180, increase speed 190 knots.
Yeah, left heading 180, increase speed 190 knots, Rouge 1771.
Rouge 1771, turn left heading 150.
Left 150, Rouge 1771.
Rouge 1771, turn left heading 055.
Left 055, Rouge 1771.
Rouge 1771, I'm going to have you contact arrival here on 124.47 and you can let them know what your plan is.
Okay, 2447, Rouge 1771. 10 minutes here to sort up the flap issue.
Rouge 1771, I checked, not a problem, heading 045 and let me know when you figure it out.
Okay, left heading 045, Rouge 1771.
Rouge 1771, if you want to factor it into your plan, we can probably just put you on 23. That'll probably be the easiest. The wind's on the north side, 320 at 6 knots.
Yeah, we'll take 23. Sounds good to us.
Rouge 1771, roger. Flying runway 23. Just let me know when you're ready.
Okay, plan 23. I'll let you know, Rouge 1771.
Rouge 1771, I'll take you north localizer for 23. Turn left heading 300.
Okay, left heading of 300, Rouge 1771.
Rouge 1771, turn left heading 280.
Left heading 280, Rouge 1771. Yeah, Pan, it's Rouge 1771. We've got the flaps locked at 0 here, so we're just running through the checklist. We currently have 133 passengers on board, plus 5 crew, no dangerous goods. Fuel remaining is approximately 60 minutes.
Rouge 1771, I checked the pan, turn left heading is 050.
Okay, left heading 050, Rouge 1771.
Rouge 1771, roger, I check 0 flaps. Do you plan on stopping on the runway?
Stay firm, we do.
Okay, Rouge 1771, roger, I checked, and I got the 133 souls on board, plus 5 crew, 60 minutes of fuel. I'm going to need that in pounds or kilos if you have that, and no dangerous cargo.
Stay firm, it's 2,500 kilograms for Rouge 1771.
2,500 kilograms, Rouge 1771, roger, heading is 050. Let me know when you're ready to come in.
Heading 050, let you know, Rouge 1771.
Rouge 1771, turn right heading 150.
Right turn 150, Rouge 1771.
Rouge 1771, altimeter 3021, winds north side 330 at 8.
Okay, check that 3021, Rouge 1771.
Rouge 1771, contact tower 1187. Good night.
187, Rouge 1771. Good night, thanks for your help.
No problem.
Towers Rouge 1771 with you, cleared the ILS runway 23 on a pan for flaps jammed. We're going to stop the aircraft on the runway.
For 1771, the wind 3208, you are clear to land runway 23, but say about half the fire trucks have responded there, so everyone should be good to go once you're down.
Okay, sounds good. Clear to land 23, Rouge 1771.